In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your subscription on Monday.com. Whether you're wrapping up a project, switching platforms, or just adjusting your current services, canceling a subscription can sometimes feel a bit daunting. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through each step, making the process as seamless and stress-free as possible. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Monday.com account. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Monday.com. Once you're there, log in using your account credentials. It might seem like an obvious step, but having everything ready before diving into the cancellation process can save you a lot of time and hassle. Once you're logged in, you'll need to gain access to the admin settings. Go ahead and locate your profile avatar. It's situated on the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Simply click on that avatar and a menu will appear. Bear in mind that you need to be the account admin to proceed with the cancellation, so if you're not, you might need to coordinate with someone who has admin access. Now from this menu, you'll select admin. This action will lead you straight to the settings needed to manage your account and subscription details. Next, we'll navigate to the billing section. You'll notice within the admin panel, there's a menu on the left-hand side. Go ahead and click on billing. This will bring up all the pertinent details regarding your plan and subscription. Now, on to the crucial step, canceling the subscription itself. Under the section containing your trial plan details, you'll find the option that either says cancel subscription or end trial. Click on this option. Monday.com wants to ensure you're making an informed decision, so expect to follow some on-screen instructions that reiterate what canceling entails, possibly offering some alternatives or perks to keep you around. It's perfectly okay to go through these, and once you're ready, move on to confirm your cancellation. Lastly, and importantly, double-check your decision with the confirmation step. This is vital as it ensures that the cancellation process is complete and that no further charges will occur. Follow any additional on-screen prompts to finalize this action. And there you have it, the process of canceling your Monday.com subscription laid out step by step. Remember, if at any time you wish to return to Monday.com, starting a new subscription is always an option. We hope this has been helpful and straightforward, ensuring you face no surprises along the way. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.